I've never heard of a case where you seal the file from the person that's sitting in jail. I've yet to hear a case where they're so terrified they don't even want Mustafa to find out what's in this file. This is Judge Carol Weimer. This is a portion of a video. You can find it on Google, where Judge Carol Weimer is going through a judicial review, and he's being asked, why do you want to be a judge? And the reason I want to play this is so that we know who we're talking about. When we're talking about the presiding judge, Judge Carol Weimer has not been impartial in the Mustafa Aljazari case. He's been ruling against the evidence. He's been covering up for the prosecutor, who's covering up for police officers that falsified the Mustafa Aljazari case. You have Commonwealth Amy Ashworth, who went to this judge, and he sealed the file. He allowed Amy Ashworth, Commonwealth Amy Ashworth, to seal off the file. This is Judge Carol Weimer.
Years. I find it to be a challenge, and I find it to be an opportunity to serve the Commonwealth. Okay.
I mean, it sounds like the guy is applying for McDonald's. Why would you want to work for McDonald's, Judge Carol Weimer? I find it to be a challenge to serve the Commonwealth. Really? That's why you want to be a judge? Well, you haven't been impartial in the Mustafa Aljazari case for 2 years. And we're going to dive in and talk about what that means. And what are we talking about when we say Judge Carol Weimer has not been impartial in the Mustafa Aljazari case? By the way, it is illegal by law to omit and hide exculpatory evidence. They're hiding the most crucial piece of evidence in Mustafa's file. But we're going to get to the bottom of it. And we're going to get the steering angle. I mean, the question is, what's in this dash camera that you're so terrified that you don't even want the jury to see? We're going to dive into the dash camera. And we're going to go over it. And you're going to understand why this Commonwealth attorney is terrified. I mean, this is the narrative. The narrative is, the police department's narrative, the Commonwealth attorney narrative, is that Mustafa was arguing with his girlfriend inside the vehicle and crashed the vehicle on purpose. That this is premeditated murder. That what you'll see on this dash camera is that Mustafa was arguing with his girlfriend. Of course, they're not going to show you the dash camera.